Yeah, it's A. This is Colleen. I'm just calling it, or not calling. I just letting you know that on Sunday, the what is it? Is it the 3rd of August? I'm losing my track of time right now. But basically, tomorrow, um, going to be doing a video on the Patreon page for ReIndigenizing Minds, and the video is going to be covering Anasazi photos that I took. I took photos of Anasazi in the Mesa Verde cliff dwellings, and there were about 5 Kachina in one of those pictures. Um, and I think even like a Kachina that was kind of bluish. And they all have like stars and things of that sort on their face. But I wanted to share with you some photos I took of Mesa Verde and have a conversation with you about that. I'm also going to be doing a workshop with Roger Culty on the um, different things that we are researching uh, for the ReIndigenizing Minds project. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. I'm on my way right now to Roger's spot so that we can start working on some of that stuff. So this is a little preview of that. Look forward to it, and I hope you can tune in and support the ReIndigenizing Minds project.